In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wise account number quickly and effortlessly. Whether you've just created a Wise account or you've been using one for a while, knowing how to locate your account number is essential, especially when it comes to receiving payments from friends or business partners across the globe. So, let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can find this important piece of information with ease. First things first, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Wise account. This is a crucial step because without accessing your account, you won't be able to view any of your account details. So, open up your preferred internet browser, head over to the Wise website, and enter your login credentials. Make sure these details are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. If you're using a secure device, you might find it convenient to save your login information or use biometric authentication to make the process even quicker in the future. Once you're logged in, you'll see an overview of your account dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. On this dashboard, you might notice several currency options. Each currency you deal with on Wise can have its own distinct account number. So the next step is to determine which currency's account number you need. This choice will typically be influenced by the transaction you're planning or the currency in which someone will be sending money to you. After identifying the currency you're interested in, go ahead and click on it. You'll find this option conveniently located under the Account Balance section next to the corresponding currency. By clicking on it, you'll be directed to that currency's dedicated page where you will see a detailed view. Here's where it gets straightforward. The account number will be prominently displayed on the page. Alongside it, you can find other relevant details such as the IBAN, SWIFT, BIC codes, and even your account's sort code if applicable. These details are essential for conducting transactions, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the layout. And there you have it. That's how you locate your Wise account number. Simply navigate through these steps whenever you need this information, or if you're managing multiple currencies through your Wise account. Understanding how to access your account details seamlessly will make managing international transactions smooth and efficient. If you ever find yourself needing a refresher on this process, feel free to revisit this guide. With practice, locating your account number will become second nature, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, making the most out of your Wise account. Thanks for watching and happy transacting.